Can we talk about it?
Move along.
Not yet, Superman.
Come on, move it.
Hey, listen. So what do you say? Who'd be the wiser? We'll say that you were killed in the battle. You'll lie low for a few months and hang out at my joint. And I'll bring you along as a boxer, right? The Smallville strong boy, the Metropolis masher, right? Don't you love that?
It's all yours, boys.
Right, Superman.
We could be partners, 60-40. All I'd ask was 10%. How you doing? 8%. Let's negotiate. 5%.
Come on.
No? 3, 2, 1.
In. Blast off.
Okay, move him out.